Welcome back. While running command line arguments from the terminal is straightforward, developers often use an integrated development environment like VS Code for convenience and debugging. Running scripts within VS Code's debugger requires a special configuration to pass those arguments. 1. Creating launch.json. To control how VS Code runs your script, you need a configuration file named launch.json. To generate this file, you may follow my following steps. Two. Adding the args parameter. Inside the launch.json file, locate the configuration block for running Python. To pass arguments, you must add an array property named args. This array holds the arguments exactly as they would appear after the script name in the terminal. Remember, the program file name is automatically handled by the system and does not need to be included in the args list. 3. Execution and sys.argv. When you run your script using the VS Code debugger with this configuration, sys.argv at index 1 will be argument 1, sys.argv at index 2 will be 100, and so on. This effectively bypasses the need to type arguments every time in the terminal, especially when debugging. To summarize, the launch.json file provides a repeatable way to inject command line arguments into your Python script. Our next lecture 11.04. Product of command line arguments. See you there.